If you have been using Google Chrome and for some reason you want to downgrade or you do not like the latest version, you are watching the right video because I'll show you how to downgrade or restore the original version of Google Chrome which came with your phone. So go to phone settings, then scroll down and find apps settings. Then here you have to scroll down until you find Google Chrome. So tap on Chrome. Before that, I want you to see the version of this Google Chrome. So it is 120.0.60.99.210. So let's downgrade it so that you see. So tap on Uninstall updates and you can see replace this app with the factory version. When you tap on OK, you will restore the original version of your Google Chrome. If you are using Samsung, I have the easiest way or shortcut to do that. So long press on that app, then tap on app info, then tap on these three dots, then you'll access the same settings. So if you found this video important, please subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good time and see you in my next tech video.